Would you ever hope for in the beginning? Would you ever hope for in the beginning? Would you ever promise not to break? Would you ever give chance opportunity? Would you ever? Would you ever?
Hey YouTube, I just want to start off by saying who I am and what I will be bringing forth to this channel. And currently I am driving a 2013 Mazdaspeed 3, as you can tell by the title. I plan on doing a lot of more future videos on what I plan on doing to this car. Now, I have done some mods already to this car, but eventually I plan on working more on the body as well. I haven't really done much of the body, but in the next video I'll probably talk more about what exactly I've done to it. At the end of the video, I will short little clip of what's already been done to the car as far as mods under the hood, and just to see how far I've already came along this process. And hopefully you guys like my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'll take any negativity or any positive comments, honestly, because I know it'll help me and better myself when it comes to my future stuff. So just let me know what you guys want to see. Like I said before, I'll show you guys what I've already done to it, as far as just, regular, bigger turbos, intercoolers, blow-off valves, short shifters, stuff like that, and I want to bring you guys along with this process. Now, I know I'm probably going to get a lot of hate for it, but it is, a hatchback, and, it's not all-wheel drive or nothing, but it still has a pretty nice engine. And I've always loved Mazda since I was, since I've found out about them and started knowing about cars. I grew up in a family of mechanics, so I do know pretty much a lot and how to do stuff myself. So I will be posting videos, stuff like that, if I do end up coming along to those type of things. I'll try to post as often as I can, only because I am a student and I do work as well. So it'll be hard for me to go and take time in between. But like I said, I'll try and post as much as I can. But like I said before, my first car was actually an RX-8. 07. It was like this teal blue. It was like one of the most unique colors that came out, and I just fell in love with the car and the whole rotary, and I got really into it. And I got into an accident, and I'll probably do another little later video, because I still have the car. It's junked right now in the yard. And my dad was actually able to find another one just like it, so I'll probably just show you guys what it's supposed to look like, and after. But after that accident, it's hard to find another car, obviously, because that was like my #1, dream car and stuff like that, and I wanted to keep it forever. But this was a really good choice I made, and I'm happy with it. I love this car so much. And like I said, I hope you guys just enjoy what I am going to present in the future content. And just subscribe, like, and just join me in the fun, okay? Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again, okay?
You